All right, we have a question here. They sent, YouTube subscribers sent 3 debt validation requests to the Bureau since March. And all they do is tell me that the debt is validated and they won't send me anything I asked for. Proof of debt, signed signature, any recommendations. Yes, 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 yes. You're not watching my videos or you're not, you're missing something that's very important. You need to send that to the furnishers. What the Bureau is doing is they're doing what's called like a code validation. But basically, when it comes to the validation on having that information on your reports, with that code validation, if they respond back within 30 days and they've given them up to 60 days due to COVID, that debt validation, they're just going to do a code validation and say that it's verified. If they even go that far and do it, like a lot of times they just say verified. You have to do the debt validation directly with the furnisher who placed that on your credit reports. You can find their name and address, number one, with where it's placed on your credit reports, and then number two, down at the bottom, it'll have the address to send to for the furnisher. And so that's what you need to do. That's the next step. You need to do signature verification and do a complete debt validation to the furnisher, and you'll at least get the action started. There's going to be either they're going to say that they're not going to come after you for it because you asked for all of the things that they can't provide, or they might provide them, and then you need to be ready and willing to move to the next step uh, when you do that debt validation. So if they provide you proof of debt, they provide you a signed contract showing your signature, uh, then you're going to be in that back and forth for your next step. So that's what you need to do when you do. Just to review it, when you do a debt validation, you're doing it as a code violation with the bureaus, but you do it also directly with the furnishers. Because if you just solely depend on doing it with the bureaus, it's going to have, a high probability of it just coming back as verified where they didn't even send it to the furnisher, or they send it to the furnisher and the furnisher responds within that 30 to 60 day time frame now with COVID, that it'll just say verified. So good question, but you need to take that other step, send it directly to the furnisher, and you'll get at least get the conversation rolling on that. So if you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video, what makes us different. You'll see our 8-point validation system for repairing credit. If you can allow us to use that process, we invite you to become a customer. If you need your credit reports and scores, because you're going to, especially for you that asked this question, you're going to need to know that furniture information. Go to your number 3scores.com, and I'll also give you a debt validation letter, a more complete debt validation letter, just in case you didn't have one, or the cease and desist collection activities letter for debt collectors, and the statute of limitations letter, and the court summons response uh, link is also below this video. All the links are below this video. So this is Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of the creditrepairshop.com. Thank you for your time.